subscribe our channel.
Subscribe our channel.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're crazy, amore.
So we are in the old part of Dubai, and we are walking to the center. So I don't know exactly where are we going, because I don't see too many signals. I know that deep in the center of this village will be something. I don't know what. For those who played on the first Assassin's Creed, this village here reminds me exactly the place where Altair was doing his tricks and parkour stuff. Let's make some parkour.
Okay, amore.
Which is the highest temperature that you experience here?
52.
52 degrees.
52.
Yeah, normal June, July, 52, 52.
Normal, yeah. We can take
You wanna try this one? This is Kashmir.
But how much is price?
All together, I'll give you 505.
We can make some 400. What do you? 400 a day.
450.
450. All right.
Just I say subscribe the channel.
It's a hi from Dubai. Subscribe to the channel.
Okay.
And then I show. Look, can I put it on top? So
Yeah. Hi from Dubai. Subscribe our channel.
subscribe our channel.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
You're crazy, amore.
Where are you from?
I'm Italian.
Bella.
Bella.
Ricardo.
What is this?
This is dry lemon.
Dry lemon.
Rice for tea,
All
for
right.
soup, for coffee.
So, my friend, I have appointment. I come back here because I'm interested of this.
Okay,
I will
see
come
my
back.
shop name.
Adeltre. All right.
You come back here. Okay?
I want to come back here.
Promise?
Bro, do you have lamps?
Love everything I have.
I will come back. Thank you, my
Milano.
Calabria.
Turino.
Ay, ay, ay.
Amigo.
Oh, nice.
Milano.
I will come. A lot. I will come back, my friend. Thank you. I will be back. I will be back. Nice. I will back. I will be back. I will be back. Pepe. No, later. Later. Thank you. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Good. I have like other color this one.
I will be back. Hello, guys. Very good. Very good. Basically, they're trying to sell us everything. Now we need to buy a lamp. Can we go back in that market with those people? Why you don't want to go? But I promised to that merchant that I will be back there.
Then
I cannot break the promise.
Then we got the door. Okay, did you see that boat? It's called Abra boat. So basically we have to cross that canal and we have to go to the other side to go to the gold soak. So we need to ride this.
Thank you very much. Now we have an appointment with a local in order to eat some typical food from here. And we're a bit late, of course, like always.
How's Dubai, guys? How's the weather in Dubai?
It's
for you
too
guys?
Yeah, we just got married and we come here. It's the first day. In Dubai.
Oh, okay. Your first day.
Yeah.
And how is it? How has it been?
It's too hot.
It's good now. 1 month ago it
No
was hot.
way.
I've heard
It
about
is
it.
actually it's better than
Oh my
1
God.
month before. So our coffee is very light coffee.
Yeah.
Because it's very lightly roasted. It's very lightly roasted with Yemeni beans, and we add to it cardamom and saffron. So it also tastes a little bit of cardamom also inside. So for the first dish there, we have the chicken biryani. So chicken biryani, it is different than the Indian biryani. How it's different that our kind of version of the biryani is mild, so it's not spicy. So it's rice with chicken, and you would see some vegetables at the side and boiled egg. Next dish will be the chicken, will be the lamb majbouz. So majbouz, little bit similar to the biryani, but what is the difference is that we mix the rice with the stew and while cooking. So that's why you see it yellowish a little bit. And we have lamb at the side also with the lamb. Then if you're vegetarian, you come after that, which is the vegetable. Just it's vegetables, the salad, just a normal salad. After that you have the white rice, which is normal white rice. And we add to it stew, which is, we call it salona. So after the white rice we have the salona, which is the stew. Let's mix veggies together, they mix it up together, and we eat it with the rice. And the third one, or the last kind of dish that we have today is the dessert, which I like the most. And we call it legumat. So legumat is deep fried dough. And this thing is called bukhor, or dukhun. So it's a mix of perfumes together, so just put on it. I remember, this is a funny thing that happened. I remember one of the guests, we used to pass it around for people to see it, you know. I don't know, she was not listening well. She ate it, she thought it was chocolate.
No way.
Don't eat it, guys. I remember it's not, shit, she ate it, you know? No, that is. So, I just put Does it have religious meanings? Would be mainly in our gatra, so whenever we're wearing like this, we put it under our gatras like this, you know, pass it around. And sometimes we'll put it, you know, in the cabinet, so I put it down there, so all of our kandoras will be like, you know, it will be smelled really good. So for our guests to not go away for the smell of food, so we can do it like this. So we'll pass it around, guys. So yeah, thanks you for coming. Hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.
How you say thank you in your language?
Shukran.
Shukra.
Shukran.
Shukra.
Shukran.
Shukran.
Yeah.
Hard.
Shuk. Maybe shuk. Shuk.
Shukran.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shukran.
All right.
Shukran. Gracias.